If you're a realtor in this current market, you're probably spinning a lot of plates right now. Open houses, follow-up, cold calling, social media, buying lead lists. You're busy, really, really busy. But busy does not equal productive. What if I told you that the people most likely to buy or sell in the next 12 months, the ones with real budgets, real urgency, real decision-making power, are already spending time in one place every single weekday? And most realtors haven't even thought about it yet. That place is LinkedIn. If you are new in real estate, you are grinding. Open houses every weekend, calling sign-ins, follow-up nonstop. If you're established, you're farming. Mailers, geographic dominance, referral networks, past clients, all of that already works. But in both cases, you are reacting. You're waiting for traffic, you're waiting for replies, you're waiting for someone to raise their hand. Most realtors are still building their business like it's 2005, before attention shifted, before professionals started to live online, and before visibility became leverage. Now, when I bring up LinkedIn to realtors, I hear the same four things every single time. But Nina, it's for job seekers, it's corporate and boring, my clients aren't there, and my absolute favorite, but I don't have time to post every day. Let's unpack all of these. LinkedIn used to be a resume platform. 10 years ago, it was where you posted your CV and then you forgot about it. But today, it is where professionals announce promotions, it's where companies announce relocations, it's where executives share industry moves, and it's where decision makers spend a significant amount of their time. And here's the key difference. On Instagram, you compete for attention. On LinkedIn, you compete for authority. You don't have to dance, you don't have to go viral, you just need to be visible to the right people. Again, this is not TikTok. This is for decision makers, executives, military officers, engineers, doctors, founders. These are people with real budgets and real urgency. LinkedIn has over 1.2 billion members. Users have roughly twice the buying power of an average web audience, and it gets about 1.4 billion visits every month. And there are drastically fewer creators than, for example, on Instagram and TikTok, which means less noise, less competition, and way more opportunity. Right now, there's a full sea of buyers and sellers that have no idea that you exist. They are not walking into your open houses, they are not browsing Zillow on a Sunday afternoon, but they are spending time on LinkedIn every weekday. And if you are not there, you will stay invisible to them. LinkedIn is no longer about job hunting. It's the only social platform built around authority instead of entertainment. So all you need to do is to build a network of ideal clients and become known as the expert and stay visible year-round. And the way to do that is actually quite straightforward. There are 4 pieces to make LinkedIn work for real estate. Network, who you're connected to, your storefront, which is your profile, the content, which helps you to stay visible, and the DMs, where real conversation happen. That's it. Step 1 is your network. This is not like Instagram or TikTok where you need to post content and then wait for people to find you. You can filter who you want to connect with and build a network of potential buyers, sellers, and referral partners. Think location, job titles, industry, even relocation patterns. So for example, if you work in a military-heavy market, connect with officers. If you are near a tech hub, connect with engineers and founders. And the great thing is, you can also connect with everyone who contacts you or who comes to one of your open houses. That way you can stay in touch and you have a direct line to message them, and you're gonna stay top of mind because these people are actually going to see the content that you post in the meantime. Step 2 is what I call your storefront. Your LinkedIn profile is not a resume. Please remember this, not a resume, it is your digital listing. If someone lands on your profile and it says Realtor at XYZ Realty, you are invisible. They need to immediately understand who you help, where you operate, and why they should trust you. Your headline, your banner, about section, that's all about positioning. If your profile isn't optimized, none of the other steps will work for you. So if you want a step-by-step guide on how to optimize your profile, click the first link in the description and you can download a free guide over there. Step 3 is content. And this is where people overcomplicate things immediately. You don't need to post every day. You don't need to go viral. You just need to stay visible. How can you do that? Post about market insight, relocation tips, behind the scenes of listings, stories of your clients. How can you provide the relevant information they are already looking for? answer the questions that buyers and sellers normally have. When they start thinking about buying or selling anything, they should have seen your name multiple times already. Step 4 are the DMs. This is not about sending spam. This is not about copy, paste, pitchy messages. This is where you build real conversation. When someone announces a promotion, for example, you first congratulate them. You can then ask if they might relocate as part of that new position. Or when someone engages with your content, you can use that to then start a conversation. This is about building relationships at scale. It's not cold calling, it's not chasing, it's strategic outreach. When you combine these 4 different pieces, your network, your storefront, your content, and your DMs, you stop spinning plates in the wrong rooms, you stop chasing traffic, and you stop waiting. You build visibility where professionals already spend time, and you replace random traffic with intentional positioning. And when urgency hits, you are already the obvious choice, and that is leverage. So again, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to set this up properly, especially your profile, click the first link in the description and download it for free.